students, today we have a new question for you. This question is very important and it is related with the topic of factorial. So let's come we start. C factorial is equal to CQ minus C. How we calculate C is not is equal to 0 and how we calculate the value of C when C factorial is equal to CQ minus C. So according to the definition of factorial, if it is the product of n times, so we can, according to the formula, we can write n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 and up to so on 3.2.1. So general, if we are expanding n factorial n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 n minus 3 up to so on 3.2.1. According to this definition of factorial, we are expanding C factorial. For example, we are needed n into n minus 1 factorial. So we can write the full complete term according to this. We are reducing the form of this one. Here we can write C factorial is equal to C into C minus 1 factorial. According to this definition, we are using here. So here C into C minus 1 factorial is equal to CQ, here taking common C. C is common, so C square minus 1 is remaining. Now look here, dividing both sides by C and C are cancelled to each other. And further C minus 1, according to this definition of, so C n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial is equal to n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. According to this definitions, we are also applying on the term of C minus 1 factorial is equal to C minus 1 into C minus 2 factorial. According to this definition, so we are applying on this term C minus 1 into C minus 2 factorial is equal to, here C square minus 1 square, we are using the formula C square minus 1 square. According to the formula, we can write A square minus B square is equal to A minus B into A plus B. We are using this term. So C minus 1 into C minus 2 factorial is equal to C minus 1 into C plus 1. So C minus 1 dividing both sides by C minus 1, so C minus 2 factorial is remaining is equal to C plus 1. Now we take the supposition, we assume that this term is equal to T, we assume that C minus 2. So what is the value of C? We change here, so T plus 2 is equal to C. Now C minus 2 is reduces in the form of let, suppose that is let, suppose, so T factorial is equal to C value is T plus 2 plus 1. So T factorial is equal to T plus 3. Now we are finding any integers, we are checking C as not belong to 0. So here if we take the supposition f t is equal to 2, so what is the effect on this one? 2 factorial is equal to 2 plus 3, so this will be 2 into 1 is equal to 5, that will be 5, and here is 2, so 2 is not is equal to 5, here t supposition is wrong. Similarly, if we take t is equal to 3, so what is the effect on this? So this will be 3 factorial is equal to t plus 3. In place of t we put 3 plus 3. So this will be 6, and here is 3 dot 2 dot 1 is equal to 6 is equal to 6. That means that here t value, if we substitute the result of 3, so this will be correct answer. But if we check in the verifications, here 3 factorials is equal to 3 plus 3 6, and 3 dot 2 dot 1 3 factorial expanding, because in the formula so we get 6. 3 minus 2 is equal to, we have 3. So this will be changed. Here c is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we get the value of 5. We want to check the verification. If we check, so c factorial is equal to c cube minus c. So in place of c we put here 5 factorial is equal to 5 cube minus 5. So 5 factorial we are expanding according to the formula. 3 dot 2 dot 1 is equal to, here is 125 minus 5. If we multiply, this will be 624, and we get here 120 is equal to 120. So our answer is here c is equal to 5 is the answer of this question. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.